lot of times folks call me and they ask me, hey, I slipped and fell in a New York State restaurant. Do I have a case? How do I determine if I have liability on the case? Well, there's a few different factors that we need to look at. The first thing that we always want to look for involving a case is, was there a dangerous or defective condition? That can mean a lot of different things. So the most common thing that I always see is wet floors without signs. So a business goes and cleans the floors. They don't put a wet floor sign out. Somebody turns, comes out of the bathroom, whatever it be, and boom, down they go. No fault of their own. And that's a perfect example of a case, a slip and fall case in New York State, as long as there's an injury. Another example, businesses and restaurants all the time have to keep their sidewalks free and clear of ice. We live in New York State. We know that ice and snow are going to be happening in our area. It's important for the business to have a plan in place, not just some, hey, this guy's going to go out and do snow and ice work whenever it starts to do that. No, you've got to know when it snows and when there's ice, this business has a plan and they execute that plan to keep their people and the public safe. Customers have a right to a safe environment when they go out and spend money at these businesses. And the third thing that I would say in regards to that is sometimes there's just defects on the property, dangerous conditions. That can be like a bad step that's crumbling, or that can be a lift in the property where there's a step that you didn't see and people fall on. All of those things, those qualify as dangerous or defective conditions. And there's many more besides that. The key is to get an attorney, let them figure out what is important to look at, what's not important to look at and focus on. And if you have an injury, then call an attorney and they will be able to help you navigate whether or not you have a slip and fall case in New York State. We do slip and fall cases all the time. Cantor, Wolff, Nicastro Hall. Give us a call because we win. It's just that simple. 716-848-8000.